Okay, we continue here. The reset is finished after 16 minutes, and you see here the light there is blinking. I mean, it stays steady. That means in programming mode. So I'm gonna say okay. Now ECU is in the automatic registration mode. During the automatic registration mode, the security indicator remain on even if the register key is in ignition switch. Now what you need to do, turn off the automatic registration mode, insert the register key and press the brake pedal 5 times in 15 seconds. When the security indicator is off, the key already registered and the automatic registration is finished. So what we're gonna do is turn off the automatic registration. Hold this one here. I'm gonna take this key out. It's in automatic registration. I'm gonna put it in. You see there, it stays blinking. Turn the key on. Okay, now he say within 15 seconds, push 5 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay, it doesn't go, so let me do it again. Put it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't go, right? So I gotta do this way. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It doesn't go, but the car is supposed to start. The car looking for, okay, 1, 2, okay. I cannot do it while the car is running. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't do it. 1, 2. It doesn't do it, okay. Okay, some car, they're looking for another key. It is not a problem as long as my car is running. When you get a chance, you bring it to me. I'm gonna either I give you extra key as a spare, or put other key inside, like one chip, second chip, simulate the 3 keys, and then the thing will be gone. So I'm gonna finish with this one here. The next step we have is to do the remote. I believe the remote is a different way. I'm gonna do the remote now. The remote have a different way of doing it. We cannot do it here. Let me see. This is 2000 remote layer. Maybe it has it. Open the driver side door. Remove the key from the ignition switch. Okay. Let me see now here. So now let's see what we need to do here. So open the driver door, remove the key from the ignition, consecutively insert the key into the ignition switch and remove it from the ignition switch 2 times. Okay, so now hold this one for me. I'm going to try to do that one. I'm going to read and do it. Okay, so now open the driver door, remove the key from the ignition. Okay, put it 1 time, 2 times, close. Open the driver door. Insert the key in the ignition, remove it 2 times, insert the key in the ignition, close the door, turn the key on, off, take it out. It's supposed to switch, but it never did anything because it's supposed to go into programming mode. It doesn't do it. So I'm going to start again. Okay, remove the key in the ignition, insert the key 1, 2 times, close the door, open it 2 times, put the key in the ignition, take it out, close, 2 times, insert the key, close the door, turn it on, off, take it out, good. Now I'm gonna push 2 times like this, and then yes, you take it. You program it already. Start the car, take the door out, close it, lock, unlock, panic. So it does already. So what you need to do is put the key in the ignition. You know, like we already did it, and I believe the procedure is only one. I don't want to confuse you, but we already started the car. Now you see this light here, it stays steady, waiting for another key. I'm gonna try to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's supposed to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's supposed to go off. If it doesn't go off, you need to see 2 keys. You put the first key register, the second key register. So it's up to you. At least get one like this with no remote. It's gonna cost you like about $100 with no remote. We cut this one here, we program it for you. We turn the programming off, so at least you have peace of mind. At least when you don't have one key, you can get the other.
And it will start.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and see you in another video. And be safe.
Bluetooth. Waiting for connection. Bluetooth.
So now let's see what we need to do here. You see, open the driver door, remove the key from the ignition, consecutively insert the key into the ignition switch and remove it from the ignition switch 2 times. Okay, so now hold this one for me. I'm going to try to do that one. I'm going to read and do it. Okay, so now open the driver door, remove the key from the ignition. Okay, put it 1 time, 2 times, close, open the driver door, insert the key in the ignition, remove it 2 times, insert the key in the ignition, close the door, turn the key on, off, take it out. It's supposed to switch, but it never did anything because it's supposed to go into programming mode.